Welcome to the Assessment and Service Cycle Overview video. When you book an assessment, one of our guarding specialists will visit your site. They will meet with stakeholders to review the assessment plan, discuss regulations, products, available options, accessories, paint, and materials. They will measure areas and equipment to ensure a tight, secure fit. The guarding specialist will take field notes and pictures of deficiencies for design purposes. They will recommend guarding solutions based on local regulatory standards. Our guarding specialist will ensure your guarding is compliant. After they have completed the on-site assessment, you will be sent a report that includes a risk matrix showing guarding priorities, an assessment report outlining typical deficiencies identified on-site and related regulations, example pictures of equipment that require guarding, maps showing locations of proposed new guarding, a new guarding estimate for all equipment assessed. We will follow up to address any questions you may have and can schedule an online meeting to review the assessment. Should you decide to purchase our guarding and issue a PO, the guards are designed and fabricated. The components are labeled to assist with assembly and location. Large pieces have weight labels to improve ergonomics. All guards are shipped with installation instructions and drawings. Our guards are easy to install with installation support also available. We comply with the document holding companies IS Networld, Browse, Cognibox, ComplyWorks, and PICS auditing. To book your assessment, please call or email us and we'll be happy to arrange a site visit.